verify that minus 5 is 0 of a polynomial px is equal to x plus 5. Verify kamut bahap proof mat pensisya ba uni minus 5 na boh ni jaka x di minus 5 ukalanem 0 uni mo. Tinggal proof and verify kamut bahap proof hap pensisya mo. Te mentak ga equation ka x plus 5. Ni p of x is equal to ini minus 5 oh. Tekmut is equal to p of minus 5. Tekmut x is equal to minus 5. From equation x plus 5 equal to x take minus 5 plus 5. Minus into plus is minus 5 minus 5 no 0. Hence proof.